Hey there, Carl Gwyn La Mesa RV. Hey, I'm in our inspection area. This unit right here, this Tiffin Wayfarer, just came in. It has a handicap lift. It's a twin bed floor plan, and I think you're really going to like it. Okay, there you have it, Tiffin Wayfarer. You can hook in your controls. This will actually lift and swivel the person into the motorhome. This is a really, really good little coach, and it is on the 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine by Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Love the running boards, non-slip. If you know of anybody that has a handicap or a going inside this thing, this is going to help them out tremendously. Great storage, exterior TV. This is a tankless hot water system, and it works wonderful. This is your air intake down here for your furnace, and this is where the hot air comes out. These are just held on by a little spring. And what they're designed for is to keep the bees and stuff from going inside when you have your coach not being worked on or using it, and keeps the bees and bugs from going inside there and creating a little problem, a little nest. There we go, 5,000 pound towing, max tongue weight 500 pounds. 7-pin back here. Notice they've put these extra little steel plates there, so if you do come out of a driveway and there's a dip, you're not going to be hitting your cap. You're going to be hitting this steel plate, little baby skid plate. Here's where you fill your potable water. And, of course, backup camera, standard equipment. They've got the Tiffin floor mats in here. The leather seats are in great condition. For a 2019, guys, this is an excellent, excellent condition. Has 22,577 miles. Now, automatic headlights, so your headlights are going to come on automatically. It has a gate shifter, so this goes through a certain pattern to get it into gear. My gosh. And a lot of people don't realize this. Tiffin Motorhomes and some of our Winnebagos added this extra support, and what it's supporting is a great system. I can darken this out, jump back in here, have a sandwich. Nobody even knows I'm inside, sitting at a parking lot. And this one comes across this side. Passenger seat, even the armrest is in fantastic condition. Okay, notice the projector style headlights, guys. These things are so nice at night. I love the non-slip. If you know somebody that has a disability or has a problem getting into the RV, there it is right there. Go to this website, check it out. Glide and go. First thing as you enter, just to the right of this is the Jensen. It has a CD player. You've got Bluetooth capabilities, HDMI, and Tiffin Motorhomes always uses LG TVs. And this is the front cab area here over top of the driver and passenger seat. And this has got storage up here. Not a sleeping area, but storage. And there's also power. Turn it on right there and bring yourself right up into the coach. Here's something I really like to see. Here is your original paint that matches the exterior paint on this coach. So this is all the original paint from the factory. Okay, here's where the other table goes, because remember, the driver's seat turns and faces this way. The passenger seat also turns into the house, and you can put a table there. And then we also have a nice little couch here. Yep. So this is going to fold out. This part will pull over top and just makes a nice little jump bed. Primarily, this is a coach that is made for 2 people. You put that blue light on, hit it again, brings on your reading light. Tiffin uses all real wood, all soft close, microwave down below so you don't have a pot of hot water and you're trying to take it out of the microwave and spill it everywhere. For a 2019 with 22,500 miles, my gosh, it's got a Dometic spark ignition stovetop. I absolutely love it. Round sink, and it's not a little tiny round sink. This is big enough for most plates and some cups off to the side. Notice how Tiffin curves their wood. Everything in here is elegant. Refrigerator. Norcold refrigerator. With a slide out down below. Tank heaters on and off. There's your battery. Here's your tank levels. Here's how you operate the slide out. And guess what? The ignition's off, parking brake. It tells you exactly what you need to do to operate that slide out. Then you can go to your lighting page. And here's your wireless switches, coach options, and home page. Master light on, master light off. This is where our shower is. And this is where our bathroom is. This is a magnet. So when this door opens, this comes all the way out, and with this other door open, attaches to that. So let's do this. Notice the special toilet for handicap people with a fantastic fan above and an air conditioning vent in the bathroom. Notice that locks right there in place, holds the door shut. That way, if you're using it and taking a shower, you have privacy. Close that off. Forgot to show you a little pantry. And then back here in the master suite, again, this is primarily a twin bed floor plan, but you can make a king size bed out of this, or an RV king. So there are some pieces under here. I can take this cushion and set it right here. So 2 cushions all the way down the center. And for anniversary weekend, we've got a king size bed back here. Digital climate control, love it. All ducted air conditioning and another fantastic fan in the bedroom. Why I like a fantastic fan in the bedroom? You can have a window cracked and it just draws that nice outside air and takes out the hot air off the ceiling. Again, a lot of curved wood in here. This opens up. Here's your cushions. Now these cushions go on top of the seats when they spin around. Here's your TV for the bedroom. So that slides out. We'll sit back here. LG TV. Tiffin always uses matching LG TVs throughout. Again, I'm going to cut this one short. Tons and tons of storage. Diesel generator. Now, how I know that or not, but it is a diesel generator. Solar. This runs your tankless hot water system. Owner's books. More curved wood right in the corner, and that is not particle wood. Okay, guys, that is just a quick little walkthrough. If you want a personal walkthrough tour or a FaceTime, just call me. My number's down below. I would love to give you a tour on this. If you're in the Phoenix Mesa area and you have problems coming to our indoor showroom, call me. I'll bring this right to your house and let you take a peek. Thanks again for watching. Again, Carl Gwynn here, Internet Sales Team. I specialize in nationwide long-distance sales. Reach out to me. We'll talk to you later.